Kotor, Montenegro. Kotor is a fortified town on Montenegro's Adriatic coast, in a bay near the limestone cliffs of Lovin, characterized by winding streets and squares. Its medieval old town has several Romanesque churches, including Kotor Cathedral. It's also home to the Maritime Museum, which explores local seafaring history. City of Kotor is one of the main historical landmarks of the region. The Roman Empire was present here since the 3rd century BC. During the Byzantine period, the town was fortified with impressive city walls, which stretch for 0.5 kilometers along the shoreline of the Kotor Bay. It still is a relatively affordable destination in Europe. Kotor is primarily a Mediterranean city, so expect the best from such cuisine with a combination of traditional Montenegrin dishes. Kotor's fortifications started to head up St. John's Hill in the 9th century. Kotor is a stunning base for further explorations of Montenegro. If we know that there are over 100 registered wineries in Montenegro that produce over 50 types of wine, UNESCO heritage and cultural diversity. The old town of Kotor has been on the UNESCO list of protected cultural heritage since 1979, with 4 kilometers long ramparts and its 3 entrances, the most famous of which is the Sea Gate. The history of Kotor dates back to the time before Homer, and today, the city still exudes the spirit of antiquity. The economic rise of Kotor from the beginning of the 14th century. Things to do in Kotor: 1. Montenegro full-day trip from Dubrovnik with optional boat trip. 2. Tour Blue Cave, Mamula Island, submarine tunnel, Lady of the Rocks. 3. Best of Montenegro, Bay of Kotor tour. 5. Blue Cave speedboat tour from Kotor. 5. Tour Kotor Parast Old Town, Island Our Lady of the Rocks, every 2 hours. The Adriatic Sea belongs to the warm seas, and being one of the cleanest and clearest in the world, it is extremely rich in marine flora and fauna. Natural wonders: Montenegro Isham, to the 2nd deepest canyon in the world, and the deepest in Europe, the Tara River Canyon. Kotor is a stunning walled town that sits dramatically along Montenegro's Adriatic coast. Thank you for watching. Subscribe please.